This x raised to power 6 is equal to 3 raised to power 6. We're going to solve for x in this question, okay? Now, first thing we can do here is to say that x raised to power 6 minus 3 raised to power 6 is equal to 0. Now, we can have that x raised to power 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal minus 3 raised to power 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. If you have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this is a factorized difference of 2 squares. So doing the same thing here, because this is also difference of 2 squares, we have x cubed plus 3 cubed multiplied by x cubed minus 3 cubed is equal to 0. Okay, now we can collect 1, so we can say that it's either that x cubed plus 3 cubed is equal to 0. Using the law of sum of 2 cubes, we have a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. Applying this law here, we have x plus 3 multiplied by x squared, okay, minus 3x plus 3 squared, which is 9, is equal to 0. Now, it's either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So it's either that x plus 3 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to negative 3, or this part is equal to 0. So x squared minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay? Now, for this other side, what we're going to do is to say that equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay? And this is equal to minus times minus 3 is plus 3 plus or minus square root of negative 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 9 is 36 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. This is equal to 3 plus or minus root of negative 27 all over 2, which is equal to 3 plus or minus, this is 9 times 3, which is 3 root 3. So we have 3i root 3 divided by 2. Okay, this is our x. And remember that this either this or negative 3. So we have all negative 3. Now let's see what we get for the second picture, for the second scenario. Okay, so for the second scenario, we have that x cubed minus 3 cubed is equal to 0. So we have that x, this is sum of difference of 2 cubes. So we can say that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Alright, now moving on from here, we're going to have that this is x minus 3 multiplied by x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared, which is 9. So equal to 0. Now this is all difference of, this is product of two things giving us 0. So it's either that x is equal to 3 or x squared plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. So as stated before, our x here will now be equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 9 times 1 is 36. Okay, all over 1 times 2, which is 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of negative 27 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 3i root 3 divided by 2. Okay, or, okay, so these are the answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.